YouTube is not the only platform where you can earn money just by uploading content. Do you know that you can actually earn money from TikTok? Just like YouTube. TikTok pays for your video views. A lot of you have very good content on TikTok, but you are not earning money from them. This is because you are not on the creators program. Millions and millions are earned per day on TikTok just by uploading videos on TikTok. To earn money on TikTok, you have to meet these certain requirements. The first requirement you need to meet is, first, you need to have 10,000 followers. Secondly, you need to have 400 views. And thirdly, you need to belong to any of this country: UK, US, Spain, South Korea, Japan, Italy, Brazil. If you have a sister or brother or friend in one of these countries, you can beg them to help you open an account. But if you don't have anyone, don't worry, I got you covered. This video is for you. You don't have to pay any creator online to create an account for you. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create an international TikTok account without VPN, and you will have same access to all the monetization features of the international TikTok account. If this is what you want or what you are interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment so that the algorithm can push it to more people. And if you have done that already, let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, let me quickly show you how to create an international TikTok account just using your TikTok. So if you're already on TikTok, fine, you'll be seeing this interface. But if you're not already on TikTok, you'll be seeing sign up. So if you're already on TikTok, just click on these three dots. When you click on that three dots, it will take you to this interface where you see your listed account. So now click on add account. Click on add account. So when you click on add account, the next thing you want to do is you come over to this area where you have this Nigeria, exactly the way I marked it. So it will bring you to this interface so you can select any country of your choice. I have already done the UK, like the United Kingdom, so I want to do the United States, like the US, United States. So when you select that, when you switch to that region, you can see it has switched. The next thing you want to do now is to click on this area where it says use phone or email to sign up. So when you click on use phone or email, don't put your phone number. Click on Gmail. Click on that Gmail section. So, and select any of your email. So I'm going to put my email. I'm going to pause the video and put my email. So once you put your email, the next thing you need to do is to click on continue. So once it continues, this is the area where you have to choose your password. So after choosing your password, the next thing is to click on continue. So the next phase it will bring you on now is your birthday. Put your age so that TikTok will know that you're not an underage, you are above 18 years. I'm going to pause the video to do that. So after that, it will show you this puzzle. All you need to do is to drag it and make sure it's aligned. Once you get it, you take it to the next interface. So it will now ask you of your nickname. So I want to use this account to create tails. So I'll put I'll just put the untold, or the tails, the village tails. Click on continue. Make sure you choose a unique name that nobody as you, so that you won't be struggling your name with somebody else. So the next thing now is to confirm again. So they will ask you some few questions. Remember, this is an international TikTok account, so that is how their verification looks like. They will ask you select two objects that are the same shape. Okay, two objects that are the same shape. This one and this one is the same shape. Click on confirm, and then after it will now bring you to your new TikTok account.
Trading is the best business.
So you can see now we are in that TikTok account that I just created. We are in that TikTok account I just created. So now for you to know that is an international TikTok, just come over to this area where you see these three dots. Right? Click on that three dots. It will show you some things that your account does not show you. Your normal Nigerian account does not show you. The first thing you will have to check to confirm if it's an international TikTok account is to click on this balance. Or you click on that balance. So if it is a Nigerian account, to be showing you Naira. If it's a US account, to be showing you dollar. If it's an a UK account, to show you euro. So I'm going to show you difference between this account. I'm going to open each of my account and show you. So you can see right now, this is a US account, so it's showing me US. It's showing me dollars. So the next other way you can confirm that is also a foreign international TikTok account is to come over to this TikTok studio and click on it. So now once it opens, you'll be seeing this creator reward program will appear automatically. You get. So once you click on that creator reward, once you see that creator reward program, just know that it's an international TikTok account. Another way you can also confirm that it is an international TikTok account is by clicking this area again. Once that area open, click on settings. Just go over to your settings. When you click on settings, click your account. Click your account. Once your account open, you will see this TikTok shop for sellers. It can never be available in Nigerian accounts. So this is the TikTok shop for sellers. You can see it, right? Cool. Let me switch to my Nigerian account and my euro, my what do you call it? My UK account, and show you the difference. And I'll now switch to my Nigerian account and also show you the difference too. All right, this is the UK TikTok account I created yesterday, which I want to move it to 10K so that I can get I can start earning from TikTok. All right, so let me show you the difference between this one and the first one we created. If you click on that area I showed you, click on balance, you'll see that the balance is in euro. It's not in dollars, just like the other one. You can see is in euro. It has other features I've shown you, but the balance is in euro, while the other one I showed you is in dollars. But let me quickly also show you Nigerian TikTok account. So you can see the first thing first, the Nigerian TikTok account is not even having balance in this area. It doesn't even have balance. There's no balance here. So even if you click on the TikTok studio, this first one, the interface is just different. So let's click on the TikTok studio. The creators program is not here. You can see the creators program is not even in. It's not even here at all. So that's to show that there's difference. So let me show you another thing too. So if you want to see your balance, you click on this Nigerian account. Click on this area. So when you click on that area, that's where they hide their own balance. Click on settings and privacy, and you will see your balance. So you click on the balance. When you click on the balance, you can see it's in Naira. Alright guys, this is how to create your international TikTok account.